Guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, I miss you guys. I miss you guys. Okay, anyways, so this video is gonna be not cut off or any sort or whatever you want to call it, because you know what, kind of tired of cutting off videos and such, and you know, to make it shorter and such. But you know what, I'm just blabbering. So today what we're gonna do is review the spicy dark cosmetics that I received from them. But before we begin, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you go ahead and do that right now, because you know what, there's a lot of good content that I'm pushing out and you guys are gonna love it. Yes, you are. Oh, and you know what, by the way, don't on my nails, because I haven't had a chance to do my nails. So let's go ahead and get started. So while I'm cutting this real quick, I'm going to go ahead and tell you about the Spicy Dark Cosmetics. They emailed me to my email and they asked me if I wanted to collaborate with them, and I was like, okay, are you for real? Because you know what, I don't want to like get spammed or cammed or scammed or whatever you want to call it. So this is gonna happen today. I'm not cutting this video off. I don't know if I told you guys that, but I will try and talk really fast to the best of my knowledge and such. So here we go. Let's see what we got in here. Let's see what we got in here. What? What is this? What is this? Okay, so there's nothing in here, and we got Spicy Dark Cosmetics. Well, apparently the box was open. What? Looks like there's some kind of smudgy stuff on there, but I love the box. I don't know what happened. And so yeah, here we go. Let's go ahead and open this and reveal the product. So there was two things in there. I'm guessing there was two things in there, and I really appreciate Spicy Dark Cosmetics for getting a hold of me on my Instagram. Thank you very much. And so what we got here is look at this. Oh my gosh. Ooh, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. All right, look at this. Okay, I'm going to show it to you on camera. Hello? Hello? Oh, there you are. Look at that. Look at that. This is a nice color. This is a nice color. Hello? Are you okay, all right. My camera's like, are you sure you don't want to cut off the video? No, probably not. So anyways, and here is a so we got this Spicy Dark Cosmetics collection, and apparently this product is cruelty free, and I think you guys will like that. And apparently there is no harsh chemicals and such in making their product, and it all started from a model. You guys should really read that, and go ahead and follow them on Instagram, the Spicy Dark Cosmetics. And I read a little bit here and there, but it's a long paragraph, so you guys are gonna have to go check it out yourselves. And also there is a lip pencil. I'm guessing this is lip pencil. So this is a True Brown P47 lip liner. Look at this. Check this out, guys. Come on, come on. You can do it. Ooh, look at that. Come on. Yes, honey. Are we back? We're back, guys. Okay, so yes, let me go ahead and do this really quick. Like I said, this video is not going to be cut off, so you guys are going to have to like bear with me here. Let's go ahead, and I'm going to take this off right in front of you guys. I'm going to go ahead and take this gloss off really quick. So how you guys doing today while I'm trying to take this off? Are you guys doing good? My life has been a little crazy, you guys. It's been insane. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to say. You know what? There's a lot going on TikTok also. It's kind of scary. All right, let's go ahead and try this on. So we're going to try the Spicy Dark Cosmetics. This is called Virgo. This is a Virgo. They have a lot of your birthdays, you know, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So yes, so I told them that Virgo is my sign for my birthday. So yes, this is going to be lovely. Let's see how this goes. Let's smell it. It doesn't smell bad. It almost kind of smells like the last lip gloss that I just used, and that was from the Wet n Wild. So we're going to see how this goes, guys. So I have a mirror, and here you go. So this Virgo is like, this is a nice color. This is like a nude color. So if you're September or your, whatchamacallit, your birthday thing or whatever, if this is your color for Virgo, I mean, that's not bad. Honey, you're shining. Yes, you are. Well, from my end, I'm shining. So I don't know about from your guys' end, but I like it. Hello. Are you beautiful over there? How's it look, you guys? It's really moisturizing, that's for sure. It's moisturizing. It's moisturizing. I like it. I like it. Now we can go ahead and try the lip liner. Come on, honey. You better do me good. So this is like gonna match with my my lipstick. Oh, hello. Is it doing anything? I can't tell if it's doing anything. Usually I put my lip liner after my lip gloss, but maybe I should have put the lip liner first before I did the lip gloss on this. So it's actually moisturizing. It's not dry or anything, that's for sure. It doesn't have a weird smell, so it smells really yummy, and I don't think you would hate it. I really like it. So let's go ahead and I'm going to dry this from the lip liner, because my lips, the outside of my lips is like the same color as this. Hello. So yes, it is almost the same color as this. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch you a color that you guys can actually see. Hopefully you can see it. I'm going to go ahead and just kind of like do this line on my arm here and swatch this color for you. So this is like almost like a brownish chocolatey, which I love chocolate. Hello. Yes, ma'am. Okay, let me see if I can go ahead and show you on... See if you can see that. Can you see that? Can you see it? I hope you can see it. Hello, come back to me. All right. I think we're there. Okay. So anyways, so I like this color, and so for this one, I would definitely recommend for you to put the lip liner first and then the lip gloss. But other than that, I really like it. No lie, not making it up, not making stories. I don't make up stories, honey. I'm just like truthful as a youthful person. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and wipe my arm and such. But yes, I would like to tell you guys, make sure you guys go ahead and follow them on Instagram, Spicy Dark Cosmetics. And they are cruelty free, like I said. And the other, you know, like chemicals and such or whatever, I mean, they're really good apparently. I haven't heard of that company before, but this is my first time hearing about the company. And they do have a lot of I think I've seen two of them from Houston, Texas on the Instagram on their Instagram. So I think there's more than one. I'm not sure. But I also went to the website, and they do have lip lacquers. They have lip glosses. They have eyeshadows. They have highlighters. They got a lot of stuff. They got a lot of stuff. It just blew my mind because I was like, oh. So that's where my money's going to go. And I don't know what I'm going to do with my life. So yeah. So anyways, so this is what the box looked like. And let's go ahead and show you the box. But like I said, this was open. So I don't know what's going on. There's a little lint on here. But anyways, so this is what the box looks like. Do I have it upside down? I hope not. Hello, come on, come back to me. There you go. Okay, so yes, I love this stuff, and it is really, really nice. The packaging, I love also. Thank you so much, Spicy Dark Cosmetics, for reaching out to me on my Instagram, and but yes, go ahead and look that up on their Instagram, Spicy Dark Cosmetics. And the one that I received was actually from Slidell, Louisiana. Slidell, Louisiana. I hope I'm saying that right, or unless it's Slidell. I don't know. So anyways, I like it, and I don't know what else to say, but my lips are so moisturized right now. It's crazy. It's not even drying or anything, so that's kind of weird because I don't usually, you know, something is like kind of like too sticky, and I kind of like sticky, but not that sticky, not too overly sticky. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and if you like my video, make sure you go ahead and give it a thumbs up, because you know what, you're gonna love me, and before you know it, I'm gonna be all over the place. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. So anyways, I think that's all I have for today. And hopefully on my next video, I need to review some items from Walmart that I got from Walmart. And it was like $2, $3, you know, the clearance stuff or whatever. But I can't wait to review that too. So anyways, you guys, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Don't forget, I'm going to remind you again, because if you don't, I'm going to look for you, and then I don't know what to do after that. So next step, I need to write that down. Anyways, okay, I love you guys. Bye-bye.